How I make $50,000 on Skool comes down to a few simple strategies that are scalable, automated, and easy to implement with the right software tools. But is Skool the best option for everyone? I'll walk you through exactly how I reach this figure, and at the end, I'll even show you alternatives that might be better for your specific goals. Stick around to find out. So, first things first, what's Skool? It's an online community platform designed to help creators, coaches, and educators connect with their audience in an organized way. The cool part? It's not just a forum or a membership site. Skool combines the best parts of online learning and community building with courses, discussions, and live events in one clean, user-friendly platform. Next thing, pricing. Skool is affordable compared to a lot of other community platforms out there. You're looking at around $99 per month for a basic plan, but when you consider what you get, it's a pretty solid deal. The catch is that you need to scale up quickly to really start seeing the income flow. This means getting enough people into your community, offering them value, and upselling premium content or services. The third thing, engagement, is key. I use Skool to host weekly live queue and AMP, as and content drops. This keeps people coming back to the platform and ensures that my community stays active. They feel invested, and that leads to more upsells. You need to build that trust first. Skool has good tools for this, but it's not as automated as some other platforms. If you're looking for high touch, this is a good fit. But if you want something more automated, keep watching. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, customer support and integrations. Skool support is okay, but I have faced some issues with long response times. They're actively improving this, but for now, it's something to keep in mind. As for integrations, Skool has limited options compared to some alternatives, which can be frustrating if you're relying on specific CRM tools or email automations. Fifth, monetization options. Skool offers paid memberships, but they aren't as flexible as some competitors. You can sell access to different groups or courses, but it's not quite as refined as what you might find on a platform like Teachable or Thinkific, which offer more options for structuring your sales funnels. The sixth thing, and this is a big one, competition. While Skool is great for building a community, I don't think it's the best for those looking to create a full-on course business with automated systems. That's where platforms like Kajabi, Thinkific, or even Circle come in. These alternatives might offer better tools for selling high-ticket programs or building out complex sales funnels. Lastly, I have a surprise for you. While I've made $50,000 using Skool, I've found a few platforms that can help you achieve even better results faster, and guess what? They're offering free trials, just like Skool. Stick with me here, and I'll explain which one will take you closer to your financial goals and why it could be a game changer for you. Now, for those of you who are ready to dive into Skool and want to give it a go for free, I've got an exclusive deal that gives you access to an extended trial, plus some extra benefits only available to my viewers. But if you're interested in the alternatives I mentioned, you'll find our free trials linked below as well. Each comes with benefits that could help you scale your income faster. So, whether you choose Skool or one of its competitors, there's a way to make $50,000 and beyond. The key is choosing the right platform for your goals.